Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. 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 Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, what up with it?
Hey, morning, family.
Order submitted.
Now I want to bounce. That's crazy.
Yeah, I miss me.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Hey, Serge, how your live account coming along?
Man, it's just breaking even. I took a few losses, but it was basically breaking even.
What's what I'm trying to say? What is your daily goal with it that you have? Like, what's your mindset around it?
Either $50 or $100.
Okay, how much you
And
willing to lose that day?
$100.
100. Okay. My. I asked because mine's will be clear tomorrow. I put $1,000 in there. I won't be able to trade with it until tomorrow. So
Nice. Which one you ended up getting? You said trade base?
yeah, I got Trader Bait. Yeah,
Nice. Yeah, you should be good. Yeah, bro. I feel like, we give so many good trades to props, and yeah, I love props, don't get me wrong, but there's a lot of uh there's a lot of good stuff that we left on the table, you know what I mean?
yeah, for real.
Order submitted.
I agree. I was trying to talk to Lou yesterday, man. I was gonna ask him a question, man, because I'm used to trading I'm used to trading these smaller accounts, like 25K or 50K account. So I decided to go, buckle down and give me a 150K account to play the better drawdown. I don't just kind of ask them, you know, what type of mindset to have, because trading an account that big, I never really fool with big accounts like that, 150K, where you got $4,500 worth of drawdown. So I'm gonna ask them just kind of like some mental type guidance or whatever, and
Yeah.
what, not for like strategy. I got my strategy. I'm talking about for a strategy as in
Order
trading the
filled.
actual account. Like, what should be my daily goal? What should do? You know what I'm saying about trading a bigger account, because I never traded a bigger account like
Right. Well, you should be here any minute now, but what I can tell you, what Lou does is he trades small on those big accounts, and he goes for base hits. So he got a bigger account, but he don't risk more. He keeps it very small, like he was trading in a 25K or 50K.
that. Okay, gotcha. See, that's what I want to know. Like, do you up your risk because it's bigger now, or do you keep it, the same, or stuff like it.
Yeah, he grinds those accounts till to pay out, and then and then from there he just base hits, base hits, base hits.
Okay, because I made 1,000 today on my
Oh,
yeah, I made 1,000 on my 150K account today.
hey, how much do you know? Are you trading with Apex?
Now this one is this is a Tradeify. Look, they got a sale. They running a sale on 150K accounts right now, $200.
Oh,
Yeah, it's until February the 15th, a Valentine's Day sale.
it's a one-time fee.
No, you might, it's not because I think it renews, but you can cancel it though. I know you can cancel it. So yeah, they run it's like 200. I think I paid like $200 for it. 150K account. I was like, man, you can't beat that shit. I'm about to go and grab that.
Right. Yeah, bro. Now that you mention it, hey, that's not a bad idea. I was done 50Ks, but I think it's time to maybe get a bigger account.
Man, that's what I'm so used to. I'm used to 50 and 20, and I don't never give myself. I got to trade in such a tight range every day. Like I don't give myself room for my mental capital anyway. Like
It creates this what you call it, anxiety type of shit. You
yeah,
feel me?
Order
exactly,
submitted.
man. Knowing that you can't come into the day and you can't lose 1,000 or $1,500 or 2,000, your account will be blown. So I say, man, see them. Maybe it's time to just go bigger, man. Go bigger, and at least your mental space. It helps me trade better. To be honest, like I traded so clean today, knowing that knowing that I just had the $4,500 worth of drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Like just my mental space was there.
Yeah, bro, 100%.
Now you do have to make a boatload of money to pass
Order
it, true
submitted.
enough, but you got to. And then I would have. I got an Apex account, a
Order
50K
filled.
right now. I need like $50 to pass it. I don't want to pass it right now. I might pass it tomorrow when I get paid, so I can get
Order
it
filled.
activated.
Do, do you know how much the 50Ks are on Apex if you pass them?
Nuh-uh.
Huh, bro, that's not a bad idea. I think I'm gonna give me 150K max.
Yeah. Talking about Apex.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. I was like, because what Apex 50K, what they draw down is about
bro,
five
because
thousand.
I just went through it, bro, and I hope that's the end of it. But regardless, bro, uh, I want to say I went on tilt. I don't think it was tilt. I think it was just a losing streak. It's part of the game, you know what I mean? But
Yeah, yeah,
it was starting to mess with my mental in a way. You feel me?
yeah,
Order submitted.
yeah. I've been there, bro. I'm going through it right now myself.
Yeah, bro. Like I've been doing so good, and I'm so good at respecting my risk, and but I just honestly went through with my strategy. It got clapped every day, and that's all good. You feel me?
As
It's
long as you
all
stick it to you, yeah. Bro, I seen like I said, I think I brought this guy name up to you before. Joey Morgan, man. And
yeah.
he was on
Order
YouTube the other day.
submitted.
That's the first time I ever seen him get out of character, bro. Even he got frustrated, like and went on tilt. I'm like, Joey going on tilt? He
Order
never go
filled.
on tilt. His risk always intact. Like, hold on one second. I'm gonna put you on hold for a second. I got a phone call coming through.
All right, bet.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Yo,
Hey,
yo, yo.
morning, fam.
What's going on, man? How y'all do today?
Today is a good day. I took one
That's good.
loss, but I'll just be cycling these accounts till I getting
Yes.
back to
Hey, yeah, I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah, what you were saying, Serge?
I'll be cycling these accounts till I get into a breaking even point, and then from there,
Hey,
once I get things rolling again, I'll start copying again.
okay. Yes, sir. That's the best way to do it. Break it down one by one. Yes, sir. I didn't even take a trade yet. I was doing mad shit this morning
Oh shit! What's
in the apartment, but it's all good. Um, I had some shit just running, just meters. I buttoned everything off because I knew I couldn't 100% focus. So But I had some trades in from last night, so I'm like halfway to my goal. So for me, it's like everything is there's no rush. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So yeah, because there's no rush, and that just means that there's no rush.
Yeah, just taking
Don't
it
got to
easy.
do everything every day because for me, I'm well over the days required. So at this point, it's like just trade until you're at the threshold you need, and that's it. Leia, what are you doing?
Order submitted.
Oh, God, Leia. There we go. Yeah, market mad volatile today.
Yeah, that
I'm
thing was
seeing.
moving, boy.
Yeah, I just came back in. And I'm seeing. I have a chart. I have a chart for the laptop. We ran up crazy, and then we just fell. So like
I figured we were gonna get it.
it's
I figured
crazy.
we were gonna get it news the news move back though. It just didn't seem. I don't know. It just didn't seem authentic to me.
Yeah, that's a good assessment. Yeah, definitely a good
Hey, Lou,
assessment. Yo,
how much?
yo,
How much is 150K? The account fee to if you pass one on Apex.
for Apex.
Yep.
I think it's like um. Hold on 1 second. Let me just hold on a sec. I didn't make this coffee. 1 second. Hold on there. Hey, here, boom. Um, I believe it's like 95. It's in the Discord, whatever what it is. Um,
Let me check real quick.
But yeah, that's
yeah.
what I was
Hold
telling
on.
Serge. That's what I was telling Serge earlier. I said, man, I need to talk to Luda. I told him hit me up, man, because
Oh
I'm used.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm only used to trading. I just needed some mental help, man. Some mental like, well, not I'm only used to trading 25Ks and 50K accounts. I'm not used to trading big accounts at all. So I stepped out on a limb and got a 150K Traderify account, and I just wanted some guidance, man. Like how do you normally trade that? Like I got my own strategy. I'm talking about
It's the
strategy
same. You
as
talking
to
about
trade the account.
you mean strategy or like actually risk and like targeting and all that, like dollars
Just
per
like
day and all that?
yeah, dollars, but like what's your
Bro,
goal
it's the
on a big
same
account
thing.
like that?
The bigger for me, this is how I approach it. Because a lot of people might do different. This is how I approach it, right? Like a lot of that stuff y'all see me post with silver, that's my live account. That's getting copied to my live account, and then it's getting copied in the micros to other accounts that allow micro silver. So, but in terms of hold on, Leah, stop. In terms of the my targeting and how much I'm going for each day, I'm treating it the same as the small accounts.
Okay,
That for me, because it's not like because here's what a lot of people do. They'll go, oh, I got a bigger account, so I can go a little bit bigger risk. And my thing is, nah, why? Because it's like if you're gonna have a bigger account and then go for equal the same amount of risk, might as well just stay with the small account. The point is that you have all that drawdown. So treat it as if it was a small account, but now you just have more drawdown. So now you actually feel like you have more drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Like if you risk $100 on a trade and your total drawdown is 2,000 or 2,500, but then you also risk okay, say you risk 100 on a trade and you have a 50K account. That's 25 or $2,000 worth of drawdown. Well, what if you risk $100 in a trade, but now you have 5,000 of drawdown?
oh yeah, that's
Okay,
crazy. Yeah,
yes, it's gonna take a while to get to a payout, right? Like, are you a person that wants to
Order
get to a
submitted.
payout quick, or are you a person that wants to keep an account long term?
Order
You know what I'm
filled.
saying? Like, it depends on what you want to do. I know a lot of the heavy hitters that I trade with, or not even trade with, but we're in the group. A lot of them be cycling through accounts. Like, yeah, they have
Order
crazy
filled.
ROI, but they also have high spend. But do have high ROI, so that's fine, right? At the end of the day, the game is about keeping your expenses low and getting payouts and making sure your ROI is high or is above water. So yeah, some people they get a bigger account, they go for bigger risk. They're tend to blow up accounts more, but then they also get a lot of payouts. Okay, that's fine. That's their style. They have a higher risk tolerance. Me, my risk tolerance isn't like that. So that's why I get a bigger account, but I have uh I have a small risk tolerance. So you'll see I'm going for a couple hundred. Like that's it. Cause then I really feel like I have a lot of room to play with if you're going for small targets. Right.
Gotcha.
That's the point of, for me at least, that's the point of those bigger accounts. Like it's not, oh, bigger account, bigger risk. No, it's bigger account, same risk that I'm taking because I that's my risk tolerance. But now I have double the drawdown now. You know what I'm saying? But
Hmm.
but you just gotta be okay with that long road, right? But just got to be disciplined for a long time. It's that long road. If you are on that long road and you're good, if you just follow what you're supposed to do and do what you're supposed to do, you will eventually get to that payout, right?
Right.
And then after the payout, after that first one, the second and third and fourth and fifth and all the other ones after, it's just smooth sailing now, right? So, but that's one way to approach it.
Order submitted.
There's another way that people be like, yo, just get over the buffer really quick so you don't have to deal with. You can do that too, but trust me, you're gonna burn a lot of accounts. Like all them traders that people be seeing on YouTube that be making $1 million payout, $2 million payout. Like, bro, they didn't. You think they on PA number one and PA number two?
Nah, they
Nah, they on
blowing
like
through
they
them.
on PA 750, PA 1000, PA 1200. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that's what I'm saying. And they don't show. They might talk about that part late. They don't talk about those specifics later, but they'll be like, yeah, I blew mad accounts. I did this, da, 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 just to get the story straight with everybody. But in the moment, bro, they're on PA 950. You know what I'm saying? They didn't blown 100 PAs in a week. You know what I'm saying? Like them getting
Connection
that $2
lost.
million payout or whatever it was. Yeah, they're now net positive, but for a while they were underwater 600K. Bro,
Yeah.
folks is spending bread out here, bro. How you think these
Damn.
prop firms is surviving, bro?
I
Bro,
was about
this,
to say that they
you know
got
what
to
I'm
be
saying?
surviving off something.
Bro, these firms is getting people bankrupt, bro. Like there's traders and there are people that are going bankrupt because of prop firms, bro. Like there are people out here that's literally spending their last. Like this shit can be gambling for people. If you don't have a system, bro, if you don't have a system, bro, this shit can literally be gambling for you. Like people. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you right now, bro. There are literally people who are spending their last. Like they're not able to, like, bro. I'm telling you right now, bro. Keep the risk small. You don't want to be out here buying it. You want to hold accounts for as long as you can and then just do that. If you have the bankroll and you have a strategy, and if you have that down to cycle through accounts and buy and cycle and maybe get a payout, now you're break even, then you cycle through again, now you're back red. And if you do that, if that's the life you want to live, that's the life you want to live. But for me, I'd rather just the money I've already spent, that's already spent and I've already gotten my money back in these props. And now I'm just withdrawing funds. I'm hitting them sideways with a little chisel. That's it. I'm just little base hit, little base hit, little base hit, little base hit. Right? That's it. Like, and again, I know folks that's monster payout. I know them. I know them. I'm in a group with them. I be screenshotting y'all, and I
Yeah, you
block the
sure
names
did.
out because this is private group and all that stuff. But you know, and people, because
Order submitted.
basically the group is a bunch of people who, like, for me, I don't want to be on any lists or I don't want my shit out there and whatnot. So, but these folks, they also don't. And so when you will not see them on any list because they try to fly under the radar. Like there's a couple people. I mean, there's some that's like, look at me, and then there's some that's like, yo, I'm under the radar. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah,
So just know, like this shit is so psychological that you literally have to you have to pick your poison. Like what do you want to approach the prop firm business as? Do you want to cycle through? Or do you want to treat it like a real account? That way you're building up your discipline and all that for when you eventually go into your live, you take the same approach. Like
Or
that,
this goes down too, which
yeah, right. And what if prop firms go out of business? What if like these prop firms, they're not gonna be around for long. Like maybe they are, but what if the one that you're using, what if you're right near your payout and then they go under? Then
right.
what? Right?
Yeah,
So you want to be extracting capital from them, put it in your live account, and then um but small risk. Like bro, I'm telling you, micros is the way. Like micros micros is the way. If you and I would say depending on your strategy and all that type of stuff, keep your risk tight. If your risk can be tight with the minis, if you have a certain edge with the minis that keeps your wrist tight, go okay, cool. But if you're still working on the edge part, like micros, and people be laughing. You be seeing people, oh, I'm trading micros, bro. Micros.
yeah. That's what I trade. I remember I used to be an NQ trader, just minis. Like before I found out, shoot. Then I've been trading micros ever since though.
Yeah, because my the minis will make your wallet mini.
Man, for real, boy. I mean, I was on my paper trading account yesterday. Got into a position. I went long one NQ now in my paper trading account. In seconds. As soon as I entered the trade, it dropped. I was down $1,300 in
That's what
seconds.
I'm
I
saying.
I didn't even have time to put my stop loss in play. Like it
Yeah,
just dropped.
that's
I
what I'm
said,
saying.
God damn.
And the market can and will do anything at any time. That's what I always say. That's why people be up 1,600, people be up 1,500, 3,000, people be up 1,000, 2,000. Yeah, okay, cool. Keep taking that heavy size. See if a Trump candle don't come out of nowhere.
For real though.
See if a
hey,
candle
this
don't you
as
know what I'm
well.
saying? See if a candle don't come out of nowhere at 7:38 a.m. Like random. You might see a crazy candle at like 2:04. Like you can't even what I'm saying? You might see a crazy candle at 1:13 p.m., bro. Well, after you were supposed to be done, you say, oh, let me take one more trade. Let me one mini. Okay, it goes against you 10 points. All right, you move your stop. Let me add one more mini. Boom, a 100 point
Yeah,
drop out of nowhere.
yeah.
You be like, wait, what, bro? Who was it? Now you're like, wait, what was the news? What was the news? What was it? Nigga, it don't matter. Your account's blown. The news don't matter.
Yeah, it's gone now.
That shit's gone. So I've had to learn over the years. These are stuff. This is what I've learned. This is personal. This is like me. Like this is what I've learned. Where you know blowing through PAs early on before because that's why you know before I even did anything, before I started trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to trade, I used to just be slinging contracts. This is like years ago. This is 4 or 5 years ago. Just mark it in, do this. But then I realized, like, yo, you can't do that, bro. Like if you if you trade like that, it's gonna eventually catch up to you.
Order submitted.
Like the market always comes back to get their bread. So
Right.
I post I have something above my I have something above my screen. I think I shared it before, but I'll say it again though. This is the quote. It says, "A successful trading day isn't about the money you made, it's about the discipline you kept. Every time you make money by breaking your plan, you're rewiring your brain for your future failure.
Oh
The
yeah.
market always collects its debts, and undisciplined profits come with the highest interest rate."
Man, you gotta take a picture of that and send it to me now. I need to get that. I need to put that above my computer.
Yeah,
I need a picture of that quote for real.
yes, sir.
But,
That shit
but
is real.
But yeah, man, that's all I wanted, man. I was like, man, let me
Yeah,
talk, cause I like I said, I wasn't used to trading them big accounts like that, man. And in my head, it went straight to,
bigger
oh man,
size.
yeah. So
Nope,
I said, let me
don't
reach
do
out
it.
to somebody that can, you know what I'm saying, they can be
Order
like,
submitted.
nah, dude, don't do that shit. That's
Don't
why
do
I was
that.
like, bro, yeah. See, I made 1K today on my first day trading it. I made
Order filled.
$1,000 in it, and like I told sir, I said I'm done, man. And it was pretty.
Shut
And
it
I trade,
down.
yeah, I started out. I traded my strategy, simple. Didn't take much of no drawdown today, and I made 1,000. I was like, bro, that's a good day, bro.
It's a good day.
On a 150K account, I said, let me just
Yeah,
try it again. Come back tomorrow, stick it
Order
out.
filled.
You know, anywhere from 750 to 1,000 to $500 to
yep.
like on the 150K account. I get there. It might take 15, 20 days, but I get there.
That's what I'm saying. And if once you get there, you're there. Like
And that's the
there's no
beauty of it.
rush.
Once I actually pass it and get it to the funded, I can just make $300 a day now. I can just trade two
That's what I'm
micros
saying.
and I just gotta pass it. And once I do pass it, you know what I'm saying, I ain't even gotta make $1,000 a day no more. I can make 300 now and get
You can make
payouts.
300, bro. You can go on. What's the minimum? Because what's the minimum days you need on that?
Um,
Or minimum amount you need per day
on what?
on the Tradeify accounts?
Order
This
filled.
the select Tradeify account.
Okay, so I don't even I don't even have one of those. What is it? It's, oh, there's no the
No, there's
what's
no. It's like 40% consistency or something like that.
okay.
So I
Yeah.
think it take you about 3 days to pass 40% consistency.
Yep. So yeah, that's what
And
I'm saying. You don't even need to just you can just be chilling. You can
yeah,
just be chilling. And we know how this market is now too. This market is, bro, this market is nuts.
man, it's
Like,
crazy, bro. This one of the, like, you gotta really know somebody. I seen somebody post something, and they in another group of men. They said you got to be a bad MNF for the trade need market conditions. They said you either got to be.
yeah,
They said you either got to be bad or crazy.
bro. It's like
I wrote
it's
back and said I'm crazy.
yeah, man. It's
Yeah.
like just doing this is man, it's difficult. It's difficult, man. It's only difficult because of us, right?
I honestly told Mo later that I said, baby, if I die, it's not because of you this time. It's because of the
Yeah,
fucking market. If I
yeah,
die
bro.
early,
And that's why I think it's good to have something else you're doing other than just being in the markets because like if you are just in the markets all that's why you gotta when you if you're gonna be in the market, bro, you gotta literally be like, all right, I get my goal and I'm done. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. That's why for me,
and
like
approach every day like a new day. You gotta
yeah,
forget the previous day, man, and come. It's like a quarterback throwing an interception almost. You gotta forget the last play, bro, and go back out there
yeah.
and finish the game. Yeah,
Like the day before don't matter for nothing
but nothing.
because for nothing. And even when you think you're doing well and you're doing so good and all this stuff, market can come and humble you.
And
You know what
humble
I'm
your
saying?
ass quick. You could
Humble
have
you
been on
quick.
a 55-day green streak, and that one day,
Mm, mm,
that one
mm.
red day will wipe every fucking dime you made in them 55 days completely
Yep.
out.
Yep. And then that's why you got to also accept your red days. Like, because a lot of people, they don't know how to accept the red day,
They'll
which is
keep chasing. Like if they red early, they'll
mm,
chase all day trying to get back green and end up being
trying to get
deeper
back.
red.
Yep. And that's something for me, that's something I'm working on as well. I'm man, shit, I'm human too. We all
Yeah, for
human.
real.
Ain't nobody can outlast that. Like that's everyone is immune to that. Or nobody is immune to that. So that's uh that's how that go. Like nobody is immune to that. So yeah, I always say like, it's a little it's definitely can be concerning if people don't know how to just take a L. Because if you don't know how to take a L, like if you don't know how to take a loss,
Should the market teach you how to take them?
your last loss will be your last loss.
Yeah, that's true.
If you can't take a loss, your last loss will be your last loss. Meaning you'll be done. You won't be able to trade anymore.
Yeah, you won't be able to trade anymore.
You'll be really run out of capital. So that's the thing. Like for us, for like the lifeblood, the lifeblood of a trader is capital. You is gotta be protected, right? Like I don't care about, bro. Targets are gonna be met. Bro. I don't even care about targets. I don't even care about that shit because that don't even matter, bro. Like
Order submitted.
statistically, everyone who puts on a trade can hit a target. It's not about the target. It's about the
It's about the
stop.
risk.
It's about
Yeah,
the risk.
the risk. Yeah, how much you willing to lose? What you
How much
lose?
you willing to lose? Like everyone can go. Their targets gonna get met. Targets gonna get met. It's about what do you like? It's so, man. It's so crazy,
Like
bro.
my partner here, a rapper. He like a local rapper down here, and he in one of his songs he said this shit about defense. You just can't focus on flexing. Like basically, like life is
Straight
about
up.
playing defense. You just can't focus on having this and fancy cars and fancy money. It's about playing defense.
It's
Like, you know what I'm
defense.
saying? You just can't focus on flexing. You know, you can't focus on offense.
Straight facts. Defense win championships. That's why Patriots got rocked.
Exactly, for real. Cause Seahawks defense is fucking
Seahawks
crazy,
defense.
bro.
They
They fucking were flying to the ball, boy.
bruh, we had no chance, bro. That was,
Yeah.
I'll tell you right now, bro. That was belt to
The
ass.
BTA, what we say in the South, BTA.
Yeah, that was
That's an ass.
like I love my Patriots, but we wasn't ready. That was, and you can tell off the first drop, bro. Our first 6 7 drives were 3 and outs, bro.
Three and
We could
out,
not
man.
get nothing going, bro. It was, I was like, damn. I was like, oh yeah, we in for a long one tonight.
Yeah, Seattle, they're a complete team too, bro. They
Yeah.
complete.
And I kept thinking that we was gonna be in it because we kept holding the Seahawks to just field goals.
Yeah, they first what 4 possessions,
Yeah, I'm like,
four
oh, okay,
for
we
field
still in it.
goals.
We down 12-0. I'm like, okay, we still in it. And then it was just like, it's only so much. It's only so much you can do if your team has an offense that can't get it going.
You got to get it going, bro. Your defense trying to hold. We done held for you
Yeah,
4 or 5 possessions in a row. We done held them to 3 points. And y'all
yeah.
can't get going. Yeah, eventually it gonna break.
Eventually,
But that defense
and
gonna break and give up a
that's
touchdown.
what
So
happens, and that's how I approach the markets. Like you gotta defense, you gotta keep your defense good. But then, so for me, the analogy is, well, the Patriots kept doing 3 and outs, 3 and outs, 3 and outs, couldn't score. For me, I already know I'm hitting targets. I already know I'm gonna get touchdowns. I already know I'm gonna get field goals. I just need to make sure that I'm stopping the other team from scoring so much.
oh
From
yeah, that makes sense.
you know what I'm
For me
saying?
being for me being a drawdown.
Yeah,
Tons of
like
drawdown.
I'm a scorer. My offense is good. I already know that, but it's just it's the defense part. It's that part. It's that side. So yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, man, that makes sense, bro.
So that's how I feel, man. Like my my team my team got fucking, oh my god, they got killed, but they're young, and that's
I'm
okay.
about to say that young squad.
They're young. Bro, of our team, 35 of the players on our team, it's their first year.
Damn, that's crazy, bro.
Complete rebuild. I'm talking about rebuild. So
I
it's
think y'all
cool.
about to trade Diggs.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, he might not even be in the league next year, bro.
Y'all just like, cause man,
Cause
he ain't. He
yeah.
just not worth the money.
Also, too, I was watching a clip. I was watching a clip of somebody that was breaking down the game, and like they weren't trying to put all the blame on Drake May, but they showed where it was like they showed like a good 10 plays where I know Drake wish he can get those back because there were times where players were
And he could
wide open, and he took a sack. And then there were times where he took a sack when he could have thrown the ball away.
throwing the ball away. That's true. Yeah.
And then, bro, like, uh, it's
Seahawks was sitting.
just
They were dialing them goddamn blisters up too, bro. Man,
Bro, no, the thing is, they weren't blitzing that much,
what
and they were still getting that pressure.
they still were getting that pressure with just four.
It was
They'll
just far.
bring Witherspoon or somebody maybe off the
Yeah,
edge there once in a
man.
while. But
Man.
Will Campbell
Yeah.
he got whipped, bro.
Yeah, he was getting bitched.
I honestly don't think, he had an MCL injury.
He was injured though.
I honestly
Yeah.
think they rushed him back, bro. I think they rushed him
Yeah.
back for the playoffs, bro. And
Yeah.
because they felt like they needed him. But man, yeah, it
Yeah.
was bad, bro. It was bad.
Yeah. And I like how he said he's not gonna use it as an excuse, but we all know he definitely he was injured. So
He was injured. Yeah, he was injured.
he is injured, but he said he was good enough to play, and he said he's not using that as an excuse. And I respect that.
Yeah,
I respect that, even though we know like he got
yeah.
bitched because he couldn't really put pressure on that knee.
He couldn't. You could
And
tell. You could honestly see when he was trying to pass block. He was trying to he was favoring that knee. Like he's trying to
yeah,
not lean on it too much. He
yeah,
couldn't
he's trying
rock.
to
I'm looking at.
overcompensate.
He's trying to overcompensate. I'm looking at him play. I'm like, bro, look, he's hurt. Look at his leg. Look at him. Me and my
Yeah,
homeboys. I'm like, bro, he trying to get back into his stance so fast, but he just can't do it. You know what I'm saying?
right.
So they rushed him back off the MCL injury.
Yeah, he got rushed back, bro. But I just hope he gets better in the off season, then he should be straight. But yeah,
And
man,
y'all
that's
had three
that's that's
LSU
what it
players
is.
on that team. That's crazy.
Who's
Clavion,
the other two?
Order filled.
Kayshawn Booty from LSU,
Oh yeah,
and
Kayshawn Booty. Yep.
Clavion Chason.
Oh yeah. Our defensive, he's our
Yeah,
D
he's like a
defensive
DN
end.
linebacker. Yeah, him.
Yeah,
All three of them guys come from LSU.
yeah. We had a nice little squad. But yeah,
Yeah,
we are young. But I'll tell you right now though, best cornerback in the league is Christian Gonzalez. He
man,
showed out, man.
Gunzo held his fucking own, bro.
Yeah,
He held
yeah.
his own, man.
And he can only do so much,
He
man.
can only do so much, bro.
He stopped some good plays, but he
He
better
did.
get paid.
Oh yeah, they gonna pay him. You
He
let
better
him
pay
walk, you a
him.
goddamn idiot.
But that's what Patriots be doing that sometimes though. I can't even lie. Patriots be
Yeah,
doing that dumb shit. But yeah, man, that's my approach to trading, man. I really try to like not I don't want to be cycling accounts and you know what I'm saying? I don't it's just I don't want to because it don't feel good. It doesn't feel good once you be blowing shit. Um,
yeah,
yeah.
but I'm about to let down, take me a little nap, man. I get y'all guys later. I gotta go to sleep, so I won't
Yeah.
trade.
Yeah, man. You about to be out?
Yeah, man, I'm about to take me a nap, man. I'm tired, bro. I got in kind of late last night. Got up this morning, put my kids on the bus, and then traded. Man, I was already tired from last night, so I
Okay.
had
Yes,
yeah. But I
sir.
well, appreciate the knowledge, man. I'll get with y'all guys later.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Talk to you soon, bro. Sir, you still in the building?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me see. Yes, sir. Let's see what's going on here today. Oh man, what a move. What a move. How'd you do today, bro?
Today was good. It was good for
Okay,
sure.
that's what's up. Let's go.
I'm gonna try to restore these accounts, and once I can breathe again, I'll start copying again.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Best way to do it. Yeah, now I'm just working on this little prop shield.
Hey,
Working on a little prop shield. Yeah, man. It is.
bro, CPI. Hey,
Yeah. How, did you trade CPI at all or nah?
I thought CPI was Friday.
I mean, sorry.
Oh, NFP.
NFP. Did you trade NFP today?
No, I'm checking shit for NFP.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I don't play that shit, bro. Hell nah. You're not gonna catch me doing dumb shit. Nope.
I even slept later. That way.
Yeah, bro. You ain't gonna catch me. Nope.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Nope.
hey, I slept later. I'm like, oh shit, today's the day. Okay, I went back to sleep, bro. I was out.
Yeah, man. I'm not even. I'm good. I have a. I've been trying out
Order
Lucid.
submitted.
I got an eval. That's like 500 away or 600 away from passing, as well as I've been. Um, there's this other company called. Have you ever heard of Humble Futures?
No.
Okay. Well, they have. Um, they basically. Um, they got this. I won an eval from them as well, and
Mhm.
basically they uh hold on 1 second. What is going on right now? Oh, okay, there. Yeah, I won an eval and I passed, and I was like, "Yo, any of y'all know what about this firm? Like, are they good or not?" And then someone sent me a screenshot showing that they got played.
Oh
Basically,
shit, what
like,
happened?
um, hold on, Leia, what? This girl's like crying crazy to me right now. Hold hold on 1 second. Uh, Leia, mama, what? Basically, so yeah, they sent the screenshot, and some people was complaining that they had their account, and then there was like ghost orders and shit, and then the account ended up getting blown, and then they just refunded them the money instead of giving them a payout.
Oh,
So I was
damn.
like, ooh, I don't know if I want to activate this account now. You know what I'm saying?
Damn,
So
yeah, that's spooky. That's sad.
yeah, I'm like, all right. I'm like, okay, yeah. So I was like, ooh, I don't know. Let me see. Gradient, okay. Drawdown account.
Yeah, bro, fuck that. Don't even don't even allow him the chance to play you.
Yeah, I'm good. Hell no. Yep. Okay. Mm,
Hey, bro, that what you said to us today, that was some crazy sauce. Thanks for that shit.
yeah, bro. It's like that. That's why me people like, bro. I'm telling you, I treat the big accounts. I don't treat them any different than the smaller accounts. I just get the bigger accounts and then Leia, what? Mama. I just get the bigger accounts and I just treat them, I just trade them the same way I would the small. So now it's just mad drawdown. That's like it's like having a 50K with 150K's account drawdown.
Yeah.
So that's the best. That's how I do it. And yeah, it takes longer to get to the first payout, but guess what? Once you're there, you're chilling.
That's my goal, fam. I wanna build for the future, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So when it comes to payouts, like I'm hoping that I'm not worried about, oh, I need to get a payout ASAP. I want to get this empire built, then worry about, okay,
There you
focus on
go.
payouts, you know what I mean?
That's the way to do it. That's the way. That's the way to do it. Like, yeah, my Leia, yes. Yes, mama. Yes, baby. Okay, no? All right. Yeah. So yeah, that's I mean, that's what it is, man. Um, that's what it is. Like I haven't traded any of my Apexes today.
Hey, that's good.
I
That's
haven't
good.
touched any of those, but I got this Lucid. Um, where are we at? Let me see. Oh, but I'm lying, bro. My fault. I said I was 500 away. I am 575 away.
Oh, that ain't bad. Shit.
So yeah, that's not bad. I'm okay. Here, mama. Take this. Here. Come. Okay. Leia, sit. Speak. Leia, speak. Speak. Leia, speak. 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 Okay. There you go. All right, go. She's in my ear. Yeah. But yeah, bro, that's how I see it, man. That's how I see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, when it comes to these news days, I'm a little chicken, bro.
Yeah.
Except if I need to pass some evals, I'll do it. But other than that, nope.
Yeah, there's no reason to get in there and get played. I know
Nope.
those days that they have the FOMC in minutes. I think that's what it's called, in minutes.
Yeah, FOMC minutes. Yep.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Prior to that, bro, in the mornings, it's always ass, bro. Like big time. It's just
Yep.
ass.
Yeah, bro. Facts.
Order
Facts,
submitted.
bro.
All right, family. Well, I'm fixing to head out to work.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. It's just it's nice having just having a good system just to do everything. Like, and again, I'm not always getting payouts and stuff. So it's I'm not the biggest payout getter, but I
Hey,
just
but
try to be
you do
just,
your thing. You're doing it right, and
is that
bro, you're solid.
I'm just trying not to blow up accounts crazy and whatnot. Like
Yeah,
I,
you can sleep
that's
at
my
night.
goal. My goal is payouts, yes, but I'm also not trying to like blow up shit crazy and be out here assed out. So yeah, man, it's just what it
Order
is.
submitted.
That is what it is. Just trying to just be better, and I'm working on this prop shield. So
Hey,
it's another thing as well. The main thing. Let me see. So speaking of prop shield, where is this shit at? Okay, so the reset button does work. Okay. So I gotta constantly be testing things out and seeing like, you know, what works, what doesn't.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. And one more thing too, I'm never gonna copy trade everything at the same time. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
It is not worth it, bro. Like not at all. Um, yeah, nah, it's not worth it.
Order filled.
Ooh, Market gave me a little push right now. Okay, 50K eval. Let me see. Let me make sure that is even coded correctly. Okay. All right.
All right, family. I gotta head out. I'll catch you in a little while.
You up out of here? Okay.